whoever that did this, listen to this woman, will never see peace. That person will never see peace in this life. That person will never see peace. How can people be so mean? This lady, Evan Okoro, just built a house for her mother. According to her, she doesn't have a house. She doesn't have her own house. This is the first house she built, and she gave it to her mother to live. Did she commit a crime? Why are people so mean that they cannot appreciate good things? What wrong did this girl do to make her mother happy? Why are people so heartless? The person just got up, decided to go and break into this house. To take what? To take what? Why? Why? Tomorrow night, if something happened to you, you'll be praying to God. You say, who did this thing to me? Only cry of this woman will deal with you. Only cry of this woman will make you not to be okay in your life. The cry of this woman will make you to have a sleepless night. The cry of this woman will make you not to be good in life. The cry of this woman will deal with you. The cry of this man will see you. Why? My people, just watch this video. This girl and the mother celebrated this house. That was last month. She brought her mom here, surprised her, and they were happy. Now, just under 1 month, somebody just planned to come and break into the house. Why? God, it's too bad. It's too bad. You are not encouraging people at all. You're not encouraging the young ones. Let me let you watch this video, please.
This is wicked. Television I bought. All the CD I bought. They took everything. They took everything. They scattered the house.
My God.
Scatter the house. When I did this to my mother, she will never succeed in life. When I did this to my mother, I owe you nothing. But you never leave. Just look at, they were trying to break into this place, and this thing, and she, I didn't even know that she had that kind of money. Look at where they came in. Look at where they came in. Now when after breaking in, this is wickedness. This is wicked. Television I bought. All the CD I bought. They took everything. They took everything. They scattered the house.
My God.
Scatter the house. When I did this to my mother, she will never succeed in life. When I did this to my mother, I owe you nothing. But you never leave. Just look at, they were trying to break into this place, and this thing, and she, I didn't even know that she had that kind of money. Look at where they came in. Look at where they came in. Now when after breaking in.